I just created this AI image generation application on my mobile phone while I was literally having lunch. So this is a full stack AI application with a fully functional backend, and also we integrated Nano Banana, the AI image generation model from Google, to generate images in our application. So I generated this application using this mobile app. It's called Yourware. So this app is more like Instagram for vibe coders, because here you can see you can find a lot of different projects that were created by other people, and you can actually just like scroll and you can find a lot of different projects which were just like created by other vibe coders. So you can simply just click on any of these projects, and after that you can simply just click on remix button. So you can just like first test this project, and after that you can simply just like click on remix, and you can just like remix this project and create your own version. You can also access this application on your computer. So let me just quickly show you that how you can access this application on your computer, and then while you're developing your application on your computer and suddenly you just like got bored, now you can just like pick up your mobile phone and then carry on development on your mobile phone. Or maybe vice versa, you are just like randomly watching reels on your phone, and then suddenly you just like open this application. You got a quick random idea, so you just like open this application and then just like entered your idea and then started development on the mobile app, and then later on you can just like open your application, open your project inside the desktop version. So let's just go ahead and try the desktop version, and let me just show you what you can build using this amazing application. So just open Youware.com, or you can just like click on the link in description, and then you can just like open this website. You can start absolutely for free. You can just log in using your Google account and you'll get enough credits to build your first project. If you're using the mobile app version, so here you can see there is this option to speak to this application. So you can simply just click on this, and now you can just explain whatever you want to build, and then it will just like build that application while you are speaking to it. This is cool. You can see while I was talking to you, it just like wrote that text in here. So let's get back to the desktop version, and here I can just say create an AI image generation application. And here you can see while I just like wrote that prompt, it just gave me this suggestion in here: create an AI image generation application with React, TypeScript and Tailwind CSS, featuring a user-friendly interface for prompt input and image display. So this is the suggestion by this tool based on my previous text that I just like wrote. So now I can simply just press tab and I can have this text in here. Now it is suggesting me more, allowing users to generate images from text description with adjustable parameters and real-time preview capabilities, powered by a robust backend API for image processing and storage. I can press tab again on my keyboard to accept this suggestion, but here you can see while I'm actually writing this prompt, so here you can see there is the inspiration for this project. So these are the similar projects that were created. So the project that I'm actually looking to create, these are the similar projects that were created previously, similar kind of projects that I'm looking to create. So you can maybe choose from any of these projects. So let's suppose if I click on this preview button, so you can see there is this particular project which has kind of similar to what I am actually going to build. So rather than like you waste your own credits, you can just like click on remix and then just like use this project that someone else has built. You can see there are plenty of these examples. If I just like click on preview on this, so you can find this project as well, which is like super cool. So now either I can just like give this prompt, or I can just like choose any of these projects from here, and also I can select different kind of AI models from here. I can select GPT-5 Codex, Claude Sonnet 4.5, GPT-5 High, Kimiko 2 Turbo, GLM 4.6 and Claude 4.5 Heiko. So let's just click on enter and try to generate this application from scratch rather than using an existing version. So right now you can see it is just generating this application. So let's just wait for it to finish the development. Okay, so in just few minutes it has just developed this nice looking application, and here you can see in this chat interface it created this to-do list, and after that it just like started ticking tasks from this to-do list one by one, and that's how it just like developed this nice looking application. So let's quickly just test it, and if I just click on this prompt, maybe like this is a random prompt template, and there is this luminous cityscape at sunset with neon reflections. Okay, so I can add more details like subject as well, and also any further details. I can choose a style as well, I can choose a mood as well, and also canvas size and quality as well. So let's just click on generate masterpiece. If I just click on this, and now let's just see if it can create what we wanted to create. And that's it. This is what it has created. This looks really nice. So based on this prompt, it has just created this image, which is nice. Now we can just like even download this image as well. If I just click on this download PNG, so it can just download this image as well. Did you notice something? I did not provide any Nano Banana API key, like not from Google AI Studio, not from Fall.ai, because it automatically integrated Nano Banana without me providing an API key. So that means you don't have to provide an API key for Nano Banana or any of this kind of like AI models. Let's suppose if you're building an application for Veo 3 or maybe in Sora 2, so it can automatically integrate those AI models directly in here. Now you can also access the source code. So if I just click on this code button, and it will just open this source code in here. Here you can see this is the complete source code. You can just like download this source code, and then after that you can deploy it separately on any other server. Now you can also create a database. So if I just click on this button, which is database, and now if I just like ask it to like create an authentication system or like create a database to save all of the generated images or like anything that you want or any other feature that you want to have to store your data, so you can easily build your database as well in here. Now let's suppose I just got busy in something else, and now I have to like leave my house and leave my computer. So what I can do, I can just like open my mobile application and then just go to the saved project, and after that I can simply just access this project that I just created in here. I can access that project in here, and now it will just open that project in my chat interface. You can see this is my project, and now I can just like give it a prompt. So I can just like explain what I want to like make any further changings or add any further features into this project. So I can just like add anything on the go, edit or change anything, and in fact I can directly even publish this project directly from a mobile application. So you can publish your project directly from here as well. If I just click on this publish button, and now if I just click on this publish again, and now it is asking me to give a title to this project, so I can just like give it any title, and after that I can simply just click on publish, and now my project will be published publicly. So this is my project URL. I can simply just click on this, and now I can just like access my project anywhere. So this is how easy and simple it is to build AI full stack applications just by using a mobile application or maybe just like using your desktop version. You can easily develop and publish your full stack AI applications by just like explaining it in your own simple words. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.